I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
We ain't gonna do no good.
It ain't what happened.
I got 6 recons in here.
Oh man.
Oh, I'm playing, but I ain't got no place to put them now. So
when
set
we
them
got-
on top of the
Well,
truck.
we gonna get together again. It's too
What's the
wet.
next show?
I know we're going
Newport.
Newport.
No, XS.
XS.
You going to XS?
Yeah, we're gonna try to make XS. If we don't make the XS, I know we'll catch you at
Everyone
Sundown.
Newport, Sundown for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's over there by the house, ain't it? Yeah.
Them, yeah. Well, it's 4 hours from me, but
Yeah.
No,
we drove a little further to get here.
it took me 600 miles to get to this.
Yeah.
one. 12 hours worth of driving one way. Yes, sir. I'm on the other side of South Carolina. I'm almost.
Oh, you in South Carolina?
Yeah, I'm a long way.
I thought you was down over in North Carolina. You at the bottom.
I wish I was. Yeah, I'm on the slap other end of it too. It's a long.
But we did make this one, so.
Oh yeah, I had to come.
Did they go out on you up here?
But no, everything's playing great right now.
I you just bought some recon.
My chief that runs the company.
Yeah, robbing them.
Made me some special recon tips.
Yeah, just to get you right.
So I'm gonna take them out and flip them.
Yeah.
So the next one will be.
It's gonna get really nice.
I'm louder than him. He's windier than I am, but I'm louder than he
Yeah,
is.
that thing.
Virtually the same build.
Yeah.
It's different.
Custom recons like he got.
He built this one. He didn't build it, but he designed this one.
Yeah.
So I just built it, put everything in it, and said okay. So
And
he didn't know what he was doing. I told him I'm gonna be number 1. He's gonna be mad.
Say OG gonna be number 1.
I'm gonna be. He's still mad at me. Oh, well,
He won't design nothing with it.
He'll get me.
He gonna get you.
He gonna get me. I'm sure.
It was good,
I ain't spending no more money after them 6. I ain't spending no
It's
more
over
money
with
for a
that.
while. So he can do what he wants and I'll be fine. You just keep spending your money.
It was good seeing you.
Yes, sir. Glad you made it.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, sir.
All right, brother.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.